Very good morning, all the students of fourth standard. We are learning here history, and in the history, we are learning the seventh lesson, that is the Swaraj, first conquest, the first victory. The meaning of the conquest is also we can call as a victory here. So, this lesson we are learning in the seventh standard, Swaraj, the first conquest. Page number 25 is we have completed, and along with the 25, 26 we are learning here. In the 26 page number, blessings of goddesses Bhavani. This point is going on, blessings of goddesses Bhavani. Last point on the page number 26, left side, last point, blessing of goddesses Bhavani. Now here we'll see this lesson. I hope you are able to hear. Air sound is also coming there. So, blessings of goddesses Bhavani. Fort Torna then came under the Shivaji's administrations. This Torna fort, which was captured by Shivaji Maharaj, this fort came under control of Shivaji Maharaj. Means he owned this fort. By winning this fort, he took control or charge of this fort, and he began to administer this fort there. He made a very careful survey of it and appointed officers. He made very careful survey of this fort. Shivaji Maharaj, once he owned or once he captured this fort, after winning or after capturing, he made an survey. He made a survey of the fort, and by making the survey, means how he made the survey, he made the careful survey, observe properly each and every place of the fort. He examined, he checked there, and by making the careful survey, he appointed officers on the fort. Some officers he had appointed on the Torna fort. So he appointed the officers on the Torna fort on the different designations, or on the different posts he appointed. So as a Maratha Kiledar, what kind of soldiers he was appointed on the Torna fort on the different posts or these designations? Among that, Kiledar, one who is a head or in charge of fort. That person, soldier, officer is called as a Kiledar. So he appointed as a Kiledar Brahmin Sabnis, Brahmins, one who look after the religious matters. That person's doing, we can call as a Brahmin there, the Brahmin Sabnis, and Prabhu Karkhanis look after the equipments on the forts, that or the calculations. So such type of officers were appointed by Shivaji Maharaj on the Torna fort. The garrisons included Maulas. Garrisons means Shivaji Maharaj army here. In the Shivaji's army, there were the Maulas were there from the Mawar valleys. Soldiers, those who were ready to sacrifice their life for the Swaraj, for the Shivaji Maharaj. Such a loyal, trustworthy, and brave soldiers were with the Shivaji Maharaj. So Maulas, Kolis also there with the Shivaji Maharaj. Ramoshis, Mahar, and such a brave men from the many other castes and communities were there. So with the Shivaji Maharaj, from different castes and communities, peoples were there with the Shivaji in his works for establishing Swaraj. So among that, the Shivaji's army was formed by Mavalas, Kodis, Ramoshis, Mahar, and such other brave men from the many different other castes and communities where they were with the Shivaji Maharaj. In a Swaraj, all castes and communities were to be treated alike and no distinctions made on the basis of the caste. So, in the Shivaji Maharaj army, in his group or in his battalion, there was no any distinction, means discriminations, or there was no any differences. There was no any partiality among the soldiers on the basis of soldiers caste and community, from which caste or community they belongs. That doesn't matters. All the castes and communities soldiers or the peoples were same in his army there. So Shivaji Maharaj never made any distinctions on the basis of the caste or the community there. All were treated equally. As repairs to the fort started, a surprise when they started to reparations uh, work on the Torana fort. That time there was a surprise incident or the things happened there on the Torana fort when Shivaji Maharaj captured, and by after the capturing, so some reparations he was doing on the Torana fort. The fort was being repaired by Shivaji Maharaj, and while doing the reparations of the Torana fort, something there surprise things happened there. That surprise things, when all the people they saw that, they were waited for the Shivaji Maharaj. All they were amazed by the surprise things there. They discovered four metal pots filled to the brim with the mohar. That so in the Torna fort, four metal pots were there. Pots, in our home also some of the pots are there. There in that we keep water also there. So such type of four metal pots were there, and these four metal pots were full with the mohar. Mohar means what? Gold coins there. So four metal pots were filled with the metals have been discovered on the Torana fort while doing the reconstruction, means reparation work of the Torana fort there. So four metal pots were discovered by the workers. Workers they got this, and all the workers were overjoyed when they got this one. That they overjoyed, they become very happy by this incident. They said that this was a gift to Shivaji from the goddesses Bhavani, and all the workers they said that they felt that this was a gift granted or given by goddesses Bhavani, means to Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj he got this gift from the goddesses of Bhavani. Like in say, all they began to think or they speak that, and this gift was only for the Shivaji Maharaj efforts, whatever the work he was doing, his effort he was doing to establish Swaraj. For that, this was the gift from the goddesses Bhavani there. All the money discovered was brought to the Shivaji, and whatever the money they discovered there, so they found all the money they brought toward the Shivaji Maharaj. No one thought of taking anything from it for himself, and no one thought that. No one single person, soldiers, or no one single worker also they felt that they thought that they should take at least one coin, golden coin from that metal pots. No one felt that. All as it is, they honestly they gave. They returned to the Shivaji Maharaj. They gave to the Shivaji Maharaj. So after all, it was the wealth of the Swaraj. All they began to feel that after all this was the wealth of the Swaraj only. Shivaji felt greatly elated at this unexpected gift, which would enable him to pursue his ideal of the Swaraj with added vigor. So when Shivaji Maharaj got this, he felt happy, and what to the work he was doing, he was finding establishing the ideal Swaraj. For that, it is a important one. It is helpful for the Shivaji Maharaj, and this was unexpected gift from the goddesses Bhavani to Shivaji Maharaj. he felt that he was working under the benevolent eye of the goddesses Bhavani. By when he got this gift, after that Shivaji Maharaj also felt that maybe the goddesses Bhavani, she was guiding to Shivaji Maharaj, and her eyes are always on the Shivaji Maharaj uh, in his work. That means maybe she was watching from there what Shivaji Maharaj was doing, and she was blessing, guiding to Shivaji Maharaj in the cause of establishing or the setup, founding the Swaraj. So today we'll stop here. When we'll come tomorrow, we'll see the next one. Thank you very much.